Hi, thanks for coming by office hours. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about stress or anxiety when you're learning and offer some suggestions that might make your learning experience a little bit smoother. When you're learning new concepts, sometimes you may feel a certain amount of stress or anxiety. I want you to know that this is normal and is not something that you should take as a sign to give up. It's similar to the feeling you might get when you exercise, like going for a run. When you go for a run, it can make your lungs or legs feel uncomfortable because you're pushing yourself to do more than your body's used to. Similarly, when you're learning, you're pushing your mind to do something new. So it's okay to acknowledge when you're feeling stressed. It also helps to practice some good habits that could make learning a little bit easier. For starters, when you're working on a concept that is particularly challenging to you, it may actually help for you to step away from the computer and do something else. By this, I mean take some time to relax and give your mind some time to form a different perspective on the topic that you're learning. So you can step away from the computer and go for a walk, take a nap, or do some easy house chores. Then, when you're ready, you can come back to try again. A second suggestion I have is for you to study in digestible chunks. I think that an hour to an hour and a half a day is reasonable for you to learn something new and then have a day to reflect and think about what you've learned. I know sometimes students are tempted to binge watch, which means that they will watch an entire course in a week or even in a few days. But I think that learning is in some ways similar to eating food. We normally eat 3 meals a day, spread out throughout the day, and spread out over 7 days a week. Now, I guess you could try to eat 21 meals all at once, but then you wouldn't be giving your body enough time to digest all of that food. Similarly, I think that your brain needs time to digest new concepts. So if you're feeling stressed, please do try to pace yourself and learn a little bit at a time. Okay, I hope that helps, and I hope to see you in the next lesson.